Hey there! Welcome to Math Zen, and welcome back if you're a returning viewer. Today's lesson is going to walk you through the step-by-step process for multiplying two-digit by two-digit numbers using two different methods, area model method and partial products. When using these methods to multiply, it is critical you understand place value and your basic multiplication facts. In addition, you will need to know how to decompose a number into expanded form. For example, you need to know that 67 can be decomposed to 60 plus 7. Let's go ahead and take a look at how this all comes together.
All right, I think we are ready to start our first area model practice problem. First up is going to be 38 times 17. And what we're going to do is we're going to make our area model to the right of the problem. And then we are going to decompose the first factor, which is 38, into a 30 and an 8. And then we are going to decompose the 17 going down the side into a 10 and a 7. And once we've done that, we are going to create a grid for each of the values on the factors. Next, we're going to do 8 times 10 to get 80, and then 8 times 7 to get 56, and 30 times 7 to get 210, and finally 30 times 10 to get 300. The order that you do those does not matter. Once you've created your four partial products, most of the heavy lifting is done. All you need to do now is take them and add them up. So we have 300 plus 210 plus 80 plus 56. And once we're done adding all this together, we're going to get 6 in the ones place. Then we're going to get a 4 in the tens place and carry our 1, which will give us 6 in the hundreds place, giving us a final product of 646. It's now time for some practice. I recommend pausing the video right after I record this problem, unless you want to see me solve it. We're going to start with 73 times 54. And you'll notice that the first thing we do, again, just like the previous example, is to make our area model. And since it's a 2 by 2 problem, it will be a square for our model. We then decompose the 73 into a 70 plus 3. And then we decompose the 54 into a 50 plus 4. And then we split this into our grid. And again, the order that you work this out now doesn't matter, but I like to go from the top right down and around. So 3 times 50 is 150. 3 times 4 is 12. 70 times 50 is 3,500. And then 70 times 4 is 280. Those are our four partial products. All we do now is we record them on the side and we add them up. So we have 3,500 plus 280 plus 150 plus 12. We add our ones and we get 2. We add our tens and we get 14. We carry the 1 and record the 4. And we do 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 to get 9. And 3 plus nothing is 3. Our final product for this example is 3,942. Great job.
Really fantastic work learning how to use the area model to multiply two-digit by two-digit numbers. Now it's time to explore the second method, partial products. See if you can find a connection between the two methods.
All right, it's time for some partial products practice. Our first example is going to be 93 times 54. In this method, we are actually multiplying the digit's place value, not just the digit. So the first thing we do is 4 times 3, which gives us 12. And then we do 4 times 90, to get 360. Then we do 50 times 3 to get 150. And finally, for our last partial product, we do 50 times 90 to get 4,500. Here is our 4 partial products, and now we simply add these columns up to get our final product. 2 and nothing is 2, 1, 6, and 5 is 12, carry the 1, 1, 3, 1, and 5 is 10, carry the 1, 1 and 4 is 5, for a final answer of 5,022. Moving on to our second example, we have 56 times 23. And for this one, again, we are starting with the ones digits, which is 3 times 6 equals 18. Then we're doing 3 times 50, which is 150. Then we're doing 20 times 6, which is 120. And finally, we're doing 20 times 50, which equals 1,000. These are our 4 partial products, so we're going to add them up. 8 plus nothing is 8. 1 plus 5 plus 2 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So our final product is 1,288. Okay, now it is your turn to practice your partial product skills. The problem we're going to be doing is 38 times 19. And I suggest you pause the video here unless you want to see me solve this on my own. The first thing we're going to be doing here is our ones digits, which is 9 times 8 equals 72. Then we do 9 times the tens digit, which is 30, and that's going to equal 270. Then we're going to go from our tens digit to our ones digit, which is 10 times 8, which is 80. And our last partial product is going to be 10 times 30, which is 300. These are our 4 partial products that we'll be adding. 2 plus nothing is 2. 7 plus 7 plus 8 is 22. 2 plus 2 plus 3 is 7. So our final product for this problem is 722. Great work today. You should be very proud of yourselves.
Wow! Give yourself a pat on the back for putting in such hard work today. You really learned a lot. I know we covered a bunch, so don't hesitate to go back and re-watch the video if you need some more time to digest the new content. As always, thanks for watching. And don't forget, before you go, to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out a lot. I'll see you all on the next lesson. Until then, keep searching for your Math Zen.